In a big, sunny yard with flowers and bees, twins Leila and Delia were playing and laughing. They saw a tree, its leaves droopy and sad. "Oh no," said Leila, "the tree feels bad." "Do you think it's thirsty?" Delia wondered aloud. They looked around and saw a big water can standing proud. Leila tried to lift it, but it was too heavy for her. Delia tried too, but it didn't even stir. Then, with twinkling eyes, Leila said, "Let's try side by side." So together they lifted, showing their pride. The water splashed and gurgled, and the tree drank it all. Slowly but surely, it began to stand tall. Then, chirping above, birds flew around, looking for something to eat up and down. The twins had some fruits. "Let's share," said Delia. So they split the fruits, giving some to each bird, who sang a happy song, the sweetest ever heard. The sun began to set, painting the sky gold and red. The twins felt happy, their hearts full of joy. "Look what we did when we worked as two. Together, there's so much we can do."